This is a 2011 Ford F-150. It has a 6.2-liter 8-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include power-adjustable driver pedals, heated seats, a double wishbone independent front suspension, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: a low tire pressure indicator, memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignment with the push of one button, cruise control, leather seats, side curtain airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, air conditioning, a folding rear seat, and this vehicle has fewer than 40,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
Tiffin Ford Lincoln is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 2020 West State Road 18 in Tiffin.